you? Welcome back to the Coffee Lab. So today we will make a unicorn latte art in flat white cup. So it's gonna be amazing because too many people is asking how to make unicorn it with the easy way. So today I will teach you step by step. So let's take the espresso. So you can use any bean. So here is our flat white cup, 7 ounce. Check the coffee. So now we will steam the milk. We need to create foam according to our latte art. So here 55 to 65 hour temperature. So let's see, we will pour little milk here. Just pour, mix very well. We need to mix milk and coffee together so our latte art can be easily controlled. Let's pour. First we need to make the wings. One. Here we will make second. So here we make his body. We will throw the rest milk. Here we go. We will make the face very nice. We create the legs. So this is our unicorn. It's ready. You can see. So how's it? You like this one? Just comment right now. And another video we will see you there. Thank you so much for watching.